Picture this. You're strolling through a vibrant park, the sun warming your face, a gentle breeze carrying the scent of blooming flowers, and your legs, those steadfast companions, carry you effortlessly along the path. But what happens when those trusty legs begin to falter? When each step feels heavier, and the simple act of climbing stairs becomes a daunting challenge? For many seniors, leg weakness isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a silent thief, stealing independence, balance, and the joy of movement. Yet there's hope, and it lies in the power of nutrition. Today, we're diving into the top 6 essential nutrients that can combat leg weakness in older adults, fortifying not just your legs, but also your heart, brain, and bones, ensuring you stride confidently through life's journeys. Where are you tuning in from today? Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed insights on healthy aging. Your legs will thank you. Let's begin this journey with protein, the unsung hero of aging gracefully. As we age, the subtle signs of sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass and strength, creep into our legs, making stairs feel like mountains and long walks exhausting. Nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60 experiences this gradual decline, but it's not inevitable. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle health, countering anabolic resistance, where aging muscles need more high-quality protein to repair and rebuild. Leucine, an amino acid found in dairy, eggs, and lean meats, acts like a biological switch, activating the mTOR pathway to spark muscle growth. Without enough protein, weak legs increase fall risks, slow recovery, and threaten independence. Aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, spread across meals. Think eggs at breakfast, Greek yogurt at lunch, and chicken or tofu at dinner. For those with smaller appetites, protein shakes offer a convenient boost. Next, let's explore omega-3 fatty acids, nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Chronic inflammation fuels leg pain, stiffness, and swelling, often from arthritis or poor circulation, making every step a struggle. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, contain EPA and DHA, which produce eicosanoids and resolvins to tame inflammation at the cellular level. Unlike painkillers that mask discomfort, omega-3s work from within, easing joint stiffness, improving blood flow, and protecting nerves. This means warmer feet, faster healing wounds, and reduced numbness, crucial for those with diabetes or peripheral artery disease. A daily dose of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA can transform leg comfort, with vegan algal oil as a great alternative. Now imagine the scaffolding of your legs, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, relying on collagen, the body's most abundant protein. After age 30, collagen production drops, leaving joints creaky, knees unstable, and tendons prone to injury. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides, easily absorbed, act as messengers to boost your body's collagen synthesis, improving joint flexibility, bone density, and reducing pain. Studies show seniors taking collagen daily for 8 to 12 weeks experience smoother knee movement and stronger ankles, lowering injury risks. Pair collagen with vitamin C from citrus or bell peppers to supercharge synthesis, and choose marine or bovine sources for optimal results. Consistency is key. Mix 10 grams into your morning smoothie for legs that move with grace. Next up, creatine, often misunderstood as a bodybuilder's supplement, is a game changer for aging legs. Found naturally in muscles, creatine fuels ATP production for quick bursts of energy. Think standing from a chair or climbing stairs. As we age, declining creatine levels sap leg strength, but supplementing with 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily can restore power. Research shows seniors combining creatine with light exercise see improved walking speed, chair rise ease, and leg power within weeks. Creatine also boosts bone density by increasing muscle force on bones, reducing fracture risks. Safe and affordable, mix it into water or a meal for a steady energy reserve. Then there's glucosamine, a quiet hero for joint health. Osteoarthritis erodes cartilage, stiffening knees and ankles. But glucosamine sulfate, a building block of cartilage and joint fluid, slows this decline. Long-term studies, including Cochrane meta-analyses, confirm it reduces knee pain and improves mobility when taken at 1,500 milligrams daily, ideally with meals. Paired with chondroitin, it strengthens joint structure, offering smoother movement and stability for daily tasks like stair climbing. Those with shellfish allergies can opt for plant-based versions, and patience pays off. Expect results in 4 to 8 weeks. Finally, curcumin, the vibrant golden compound derived from turmeric, emerges as a true superstar in the realm of natural health. Celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can transform leg health for seniors. This isn't just ancient wisdom from Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Modern science backs curcumin's ability to tackle chronic joint and muscle issues with remarkable precision. By inhibiting key inflammatory enzymes like KOX2 and 5-LOX, as well as signaling molecules such as TNF-alpha and interleukins, curcumin directly addresses the root causes of pain and swelling associated with conditions like osteoarthritis, tendinitis, and plantar fasciitis, a stubborn issue where inflammation in the foot's thick tissue band causes searing heel pain with every step. Unlike ibuprofen or other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, which may offer temporary relief but come with risks of gastrointestinal irritation or long-term organ strain, curcumin provides a gentle yet powerful alternative, soothing aching knees, calming overworked tendons, and easing the discomfort that can make walking feel like a chore. Clinical trials have shown that curcumin can match ibuprofen's pain-relieving effects for arthritis sufferers, all while maintaining a superior safety profile, making it an ideal choice for older adults seeking sustainable relief. But curcumin's magic extends beyond inflammation. Its robust antioxidant properties act like a shield, neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that accumulate with age and wreak havoc on muscles, nerves, and connective tissues. This is especially critical for seniors with diabetes or vascular issues, where poor circulation and nerve damage can lead to tingling, numbness, or neuropathic pain in the legs, increasing the risk of unnoticed injuries or infections. Curcumin supports nerve health by reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular repair, potentially restoring sensation and alleviating discomfort. Imagine legs that feel lighter, more responsive, and free from the burning or prickling sensations that disrupt daily life. Historically, curcumin's challenge has been its low bioavailability. Raw turmeric is poorly absorbed by the body. However, cutting-edge formulations have overcome this hurdle. Pairing curcumin with piperine, a black pepper extract, can boost absorption by up to 2,000%, while phytosomal curcumin and nanocurcumin leverage advanced delivery systems to ensure the compound reaches your bloodstream effectively. A daily dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams of standardized curcumin extract, taken with meals for optimal uptake, can yield noticeable improvements in joint comfort, swelling, and mobility within 4 to 6 weeks. Consistency is key. Think of it as a steady investment in your leg's longevity, not a quick fix. For the best results, opt for high-quality supplements from reputable brands and consider pairing curcumin with fatty foods or oils to enhance absorption further. Together, these 6 nutrients, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, collagen, creatine, glucosamine, and curcumin, form a synergistic powerhouse, each amplifying the other's benefits to fortify your legs against the challenges of aging. Protein rebuilds muscle mass, countering sarcopenia to restore strength for every step. Omega-3s soothe chronic inflammation, improving circulation and easing joint stiffness for fluid movement. Collagen strengthens the tendons, ligaments, and cartilage that provide structural integrity, ensuring stability and flexibility.